East Texas, a weak front will move through the area overnight, and that will bring a sunny and hot Friday and even Saturday. It's going to be bringing drier rather than cooler air to our area. Regardless, the weekend looks great with dry weather expected. However, some badly needed rainfall may return to the forecast by the middle to latter part of next week. Unfortunately, ragweed remains very high, but it's lower than yesterday, and also tree pollen very high, with grass and mold at a moderate level on today's allergy report. Again, no rainfall expected through the weekend, the first half of next week. And again, we're going to go with a very conservative 30% coverage coming up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of next week. Could be more, but until we can see whether or not a front will try to move into the area maybe by Saturday, week out, then we will keep those chances low. Otherwise, the bottom line is above normal high temperatures for the most part are expected through the next 10 days. The air mass is dry, and it's going to be dry Friday and Saturday. That's why we'll see highs near 90. Then moisture will increase across the area. The muggies return, so that will bring down the afternoon highs because of the potential for showers, higher humidity, and clouds over the area. So with that drier air, it means cooler mornings, but look at those lows. Almost 70 degrees and may do it. And that means that the range of temperatures is lower because the moisture is really moving into the area. So it's going to be quite muggy and humid with the chance of showers and storms by the middle to latter part of next week. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, trough of low pressure now moving through, and that is bringing us our weak front. But notice most of the energy and dynamics are up towards the Great Lakes area, well to our north. So that's why we're not getting any showers with this. And we've been talking about how our weather has been moving out of Canada for the last week or so. That's all going to change after this high builds over our area this weekend and brings us those highs near 90. As that high goes bye-bye, we'll start to see weather coming out of the Pacific, and that will bring moisture, and it'll interact with these disturbances and even some Gulf moisture getting in on the action as we head towards, say, Thursday of next week. Look at all this moisture. Where has this been all summer long? So we're very hopeful with these disturbances interacting with that moisture to give us a low-end scattering of showers and storms across the area by, say, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday a week out. Otherwise, just no rain expected with this front as it slowly stumbles through the area. Going to see some fog in the morning as we see temperatures drop into the mid to upper 50s lakes to near 60 to the lower 60s in the triangle. After the fog erodes, we will see sunny skies tomorrow afternoon. Look at that, 90, maybe a little bit above that coming up tomorrow afternoon. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 2 feet are expected in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see northwest and west winds at 10 knots. Our forecast tonight, lows in the mid 50s in the lakes, mid to upper 50s inland southeast Texas, and into the upper 50s to lower 60s in the triangle. Again, watch out for the fog. Light winds will go calm. Then for tomorrow, lots of sun, highs around 90 or thereabouts. No rain and low humidity expected with a light west to northwest wind expected tomorrow after that frontal passage. Similar forecast coming up on Saturday. More clouds, maybe a little cooler in the afternoon, but those low temperatures going up a bit, and they really do as we start to see the moisture really increase across the area Tuesday and Wednesday because of very breezy / windy southeasterly winds straight off the Gulf of Mexico. So the highs come down, the lows go up, they get closer together because the moisture in the atmosphere is increasing across our area. And as we head towards Thursday, Friday, and Saturday a week out, we'll keep a low-end scattering of showers and storms each day. Hopefully we can double that as a potential for a weak front moves into the area the following weekend. That is still up in the air quite literally. So we'll keep tabs on that and fine-tuning our forecast. As always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com/weather. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and download our app. And you have a great evening.